Okay, so the last one, well done for getting this far, is investigating fuels. And the point of this one is that students investigate the mass of different fuels, remember mass means weight, needed to heat a fixed volume of water. Alright, so you would have different fuels. Here we have ethanol, methanol, propanol and butanol. You need to know which one is the short chain, which one's the long chain. I have them in order here. Does it go from shortest to longest or shortest to longest? You need to know that, make sure you do. Alright, now what you would do is measure the weight, the mass of each of these and then burn a fixed amount of water for each one of them, let's say 25 centimeters cubed of water in a test tube. And then once that temperature of that test tube has increased by 50 degrees Celsius, you would weigh this again. Alright, so you would have a clamp stand, clamp the boss, test tube, fixed amount of water. Remember that's a controlled variable, fixing your amount of water each time. So I would have 25, 25, 25 and 25 centimeters cubed of water being heated. And a thermometer. I will measure my temperature first, note it down, and then heat again. Right, so let me just light them so that you can see the different ones. Alright, so you can see that they are fuels, and they are liquid, colourless fuels, extremely flammable and toxic. You can see you may be asked to give them a hazard warning sign. The extremely flammable one is the fire one. Sometimes you may want to give them toxic as well, but I suggest if you have to choose, use the flammable one. Alright, so there you are, you have the four burning. The best fuel, the most appropriate fuel, is the one that uses the least amount of mass to heat the water. So the one that gives out the most amount of energy and loses the least amount of weight. Remember the calculation that I taught you in the lesson. It's grams per, what was it? Yeah, grams per temperature increase, okay? So how much weight did it lose? How much fuel was used up in complete combustion to heat 50 centimeters cubed of water? Ethanol, maybe it lost 1. Butanol, maybe it lost 2. Alright? You'd need to know which one is better. You need to definitely look at a table and check and research and describe results on that table and tell me which is the best fuel. Have a look at the past paper questions that I will put underneath this video and have a look at that. Control variables for this that you may be asked about. Controlling the amount of water. 50 degrees. Each time for the amount of water you need to make sure you're measuring it, the temperature increased by the same amount each time. Okay? And then that's it. This is a very simple one. It's not difficult. The only difficulty is getting that last calculation correct if you're asked to do it. Yes? Make sure you know how to do that one, please. I will put some working out questions at the bottom of this presentation. Alright, so good luck, and that's all for now. Bye.